Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel's built-in stocks data type. First, type the stock exchange prefix. For example, you can type XNAS, AAPL, to specify Apple on the Nasdaq exchange. Next, select this cell. Then, in the Data tab, click the Stocks button. Once Excel recognizes the data, you'll see small stock icons appear next to each entry. After that, click the small Insert Data icon that appears next to your cells. Pick whichever details you want, like price, market cap, employees. Excel will automatically populate those details into the adjacent columns. Pfizer is listed on the New York Stock Exchange, so you have to type XNYS instead of XNAS. The XCTR prefix refers to BMW listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell with Apple's details until you see a small plus sign. Then, click and drag it down to automatically fetch the details for the other stocks in your list. And that's it! You can now track your investments, compare companies, or even create a watch list right in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Excel tips.